Okay, I don't know how many of you even have one of these items or if you even know about this item. As you can see, this little tool is from Snap-on. I ordered this off Amazon. I needed a third hand, as you can see. This little item is a godsend. It's pricey though. But when you got to do things by yourself and you don't have a third hand or another person around to help, especially with something like this, you'll be thanking me for getting one of these. I don't make any money off of it, so I'm not an affiliate for Snap-on at all. I just wanted to let everybody know this is a fantastic tool. It's worth every freaking penny. So the way you use this is you roll this down, put your wire in there, and then let go and it holds the wire. You do that on both sides, and then you take this little knob down here in the end and rotate it. Yeah, it's going the right way. And it pulls the wires together. See how it's working there? So now they're where I can solder them together without needing an extra person or a third hand. Okay? I wonder who thought this up, but it was ingenious. Thank you.